Hi everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into M&S credit card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log in and access your credit card online for M&S or Marks & Spencer, go ahead and open up a web browser. Go to the URL box at the top and type in bank.marksandspencer.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll find yourself in the official site of M&S Bank. To log in and access your credit card online, you'll need to first log into your internet banking account. If you've not registered for internet banking yet for M&S, go and click on the register link at the top right and follow the instructions. If you already have an account, click the sign in link and enter your credential on the next page. In the text box that appears on the screen, type in your username associated with your M&S online banking account. Once you do that, if you'd like the system to remember your credential, check this Remember Me box beneath. But make sure to leave it unchecked if you're using a public or a shared device. In case you don't remember your username, click on Forgotten Username link and follow the instructions in order to look for your username. After typing in your username, click Continue. On the next page, you'll need to type in your password for your internet banking account. Go ahead and type it in and click on the Sign In button in order to get access to your M&S Bank. Now, click the credit card option from the main home page in order to access your credit card online for Marks & Spencer. That is how you can easily log into your Marks & Spencer credit card online. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.